Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the part 2 of our video series in which we are learning about the two very important Korean particles, e and eso. They are also called the Korean time and location particle. Now in the first part, I gave you a brief introduction about these two particles and we also learned how to use this Korean particle e as a time particle. Now, in the second part, we are going to learn the usage of Korean particle e as a location particle. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start. Now, when used as a location particle, e indicates the location of something or someone. Okay, now there are two ways. One is where something or someone is present. Okay, is present, was present or will be present. जब भी आपको ये denote करना है तो आप किस particle की help लेंगे? ए. And the second way to use this as a location particle is to indicate where something or someone is going or went or will go. Okay, in all these three tenses. So दो तरीके से आप ए पार्टिकल को एज ए लोकेशन पार्टिकल यूज कर सकते हो टू टेल द लोकेशन ऑफ समथिंग और समवन. कहाँ पर समथिंग और समवन इज प्रेजेंट. और दूसरा तरीका क्या है? वेयर समथिंग और समवन इज गोइंग. राइट, सो दीज आर द टू वेज. नाउ अगर आप इसका इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन करेंगे देन it is similar to the English prepositions at, in or to whenever you are referring to location. Okay, at, in, to ये जो prepositions है इनका English में जो काम है वो काम Korean language में कौन करता है? ए. Okay, now let's see how to use e in Korean sentences. Now as I said, one way to use e is to indicate where something or present or was present or will be present. तो यहाँ पर ए का जो इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन है वो क्या होगा? either at or in. Examples के थ्रू समझते हैं. It will be more easy for us to understand. Now first example is I am at school. Now here the subject, the speaker, he's saying that he's at school. So यहाँ पर आपको लोकेशन को डिनोट करना है तो कौन सा पार्टिकल यूज होगा? ए. ओके, सो इन कोरियन इट इज गोइंग टू बी 저는 학교에 있어요. Here you can notice that the particle e, it is attached to the location where the person is present. Okay, location क्या है? School. तो school से a particle attach होगा. Fine, this is how you are going to use this particle in Korean sentences. Next is I am in Busan. 저는 부산에 있어요. Here also you can see that the particle e is attached to the location, to the place that is being said in this sentence. Okay, Busan, right? Next is the child is at home. So in Korean it is 아이는 집에 있어요. Okay, now here we have to denote the location home. तो कौन सा पार्टिकल अटैच हो गया? छिप से ए, छिबे. Okay, next example is I will be at the hospital on Monday. So in Korean it will be 저는 월요일에 병원에 있을 거예요. Here you can see that I have used the particle e twice in the sentence. One to indicate the location and another one is to indicate the time. Okay, we know that e is used as both a time and location particle and we already know how to use e as a time particle. In the part 1 of this series we learned that. So if you want to denote Monday then you are going to attach the particle e with Monday. Monday is 월요일. Okay, and then the location is hospital. Hospital is 병원. So we have to attach the particle e to Pyeongwon and it will be Pyeongwon. Okay, so this is how this particle e is used twice in a sentence. अब आप यहाँ पर एक चीज़ और नोटिस कर सकते हो कि एक ही सेंटेंस में हम एक ही पार्टिकल को मल्टीपल टाइम्स भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Okay, you can use the same particle multiple times in a sentence. Okay, next example is my friend lived in Japan for 3 years. 저희 친구는 일본에 3년 동안 살았어요. Okay, now first of all, to denote the location Japan, we have attached the particle e with it. 일본에. Okay, this much is clear. Now whenever you have to indicate a period of time for or during a period of time, then you use this word 동안. Okay, now here you have to say for 3 years. Now 3 years is 3년, right? So for 3 years is 3년 동안. Okay, so this is how you are going to use the particle e to indicate the location of something or someone, where something or someone is present, right? Now, the another way to use this particle is to indicate where something or someone is going to, went to or will go to. Okay, यहाँ मैंने brackets में, braces में to इसलिए include किया क्योंकि ए का जो English translation है in these kind of sentences is to. Okay, whenever you have to denote the location where someone or something is going, then you can use the particle e, and at that time e translates to. Let's see the examples. Suppose you have to say, I go to the gym every day. Now here the person is going to a place. That place is gym. So the particle e will be attached to this place, to this location. So in Korean it will be 저는 매일 체육관에 갑니다. Okay, here every day is 매일, and to denote the location where a person goes is by using the particle e, 체육관에. Okay, next example is I went to the museum yesterday. 저는 어제 박물관에 갔어요. So here you can see that I have attached the Korean particle e to the word museum, because museum is the location where the person went. Okay, now you might be thinking कि in the previous examples I attached e to Monday. Okay, 월요일에 टाइम के साथ मैंने ए अटैच किया था, राइट? तो यहाँ पे मैंने एवरी डे, येस्टरडे, इनके साथ ए अटैच क्यों नहीं किया? मेरे, अजे, क्यों ऐसा क्यों नहीं किया? सो देयर इज़ अ रीज़न. जो ए पार्टिकल है वो येस्टरडे, टुडे, टुमारो, एवरी डे, इनके साथ अटैच नहीं होता है. दिस इज़ एन एक्सेप्शन and I discussed this in the part 1 also. Okay, so if you have not watched that part yet, you must go and watch that first and then come back and watch the second part, right? So this is how you use the particle e as a location particle. Fine. Next example is my grandfather will come home on Wednesday. 저의 할아버지는 수요일에 집에 올 거예요. Okay, now my grandfather is 저의 할아버지는. Again you can see is used twice. One to denote the time and the second one is to denote the location. 수요일에 is Wednesday. So we have attached the particle e to 수요일. And then we have the location 집, which is home. So again the particle e is attached to the location. And we know that the verb to come is 오다. So will come, future tense, 올 거예요. Next example is I will go to India in July. 저는 7월에 인도에 갈 거예요. Now you can see that a is used twice in this sentence. Once to denote the time and the another way to denote the location. Okay, so July in Korean is 7월, the 7th month, right? July. And India is Indo. So the time and location, they both are being denoted in this sentence, right? So this is how you use the Korean particle a as a location particle in Korean sentences. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.